Hello and welcome to the TechCare 570 installation and programming presentation. Tectone Sound and Signal is based in Franklin, North Carolina and has been manufacturing emergency call, intercom, and nurse call systems since 1973. Tectone has been offering wireless emergency call systems since 2005, has hundreds of installations nationally, and continues to be a leader in the industry. Tectone currently has 2 wireless platforms, which allows us to accommodate all different types of facilities with products that are best suited for their needs. The TechCare 500 is an Innovonics-based platform that uses the Echo Stream protocol that's built to handle large applications such as large, high-rise buildings and CCRCs. This can include campus-type environments with multiple buildings. TechCare 570, on the other hand, is designed to be more competitive for the smaller to medium-sized facilities such as single buildings, assisted living, independent living, and life plan communities. Both systems operate on the same TechCare platform and utilize the NC475 TechCare appliance server as the head-end equipment. All system activity is displayed on the attached monitor, while day-to-day programming changes are accomplished via a utility which can run on any Windows PC or laptop on the facility's network. Initial setup and programming is done with the LS450 config tool on the installing technician's laptop. When alarms are placed on the system, the events are displayed on the NC475's monitor, indicating the type of call, the associated resident, and the location of the device. The basic operating concept of both systems is the same, where each system has one receiver directly connected to the NC475 and a network of wireless repeaters to relay the information from individual transmitters back to the receiver. In this video, we will cover the TechCare 570 system components, the setup of the TechCare 570 wireless network, as well as basic system configuration and programming. The intention of this presentation is to provide the integrator with the basic steps for installing the TechCare 570 wireless nurse call system. More detailed instructions can be found in the Installation and Operational Manual, the LS450 Installation and Operational Manual, and the LS454 User Guide. Sometimes there are alternate ways to set up system components and features. It is the intention of this presentation to demonstrate what is considered the most straightforward approach to basic installation and configuration. Tectone also provides various support options, including manuals, a YouTube video channel, and live technical support. Please visit us at tectone.com for access to these resources. Transmitters for the TechCare 570 system include SF570 pendants, SF572 pull cord station, the SF573 single bed multifunction station, and the SF571 universal transmitter. Transmitters are shipped in battery saver mode. The installer must press and hold the red button until the LED turns off to take it out of this mode and begin normal operation. The SF570 pendant is the mobile transmitter for residents and staff and comes standard with a lanyard or with wristbands available as accessories. When a call is placed, the pendant flashes its LED to assure the resident that the call has been successfully placed and are reset using the RP570 alarm clearance card. The SF570 pendant is waterproof and conforms to the IP65 standard. The SF572 is a wireless surface-mountable call station that includes a large red call button, a pull cord, and LED for call annunciation, and a reset button. The SF572 also supports resident check-in and rounding functions using the reset button if schedules have been properly programmed. Calls from the SF572 must be reset at the point of origin. The SF573 is used in resident rooms where call cords are desired. In addition to the large call button, additional buttons are provided for staff emergency calls, as well as check-in and rounding functions if schedules have been properly programmed. The SF573 also provides cord out detection, which is enunciated at the NC475 desk. Calls from the SF573 must be reset at the point of origin. The SF571 is a wireless wall-mounted transmitter for use with any normally open or normally closed contact or sensor. This transmitter also has a Hall effect sensor and magnetic component to monitor the doors or windows and allow for checking and rounding capabilities that can be triggered by various reset signals available on the device. Alarms are automatically reset when to return to a normal state or when calls are acknowledged by staff, depending on system programming.